In our project, we're recreating the classic game Brick Breaker by Jared Taylor.
And Terry Phillips.
The game will begin with the start screen with the titles, start button, and exit button.
Next, the game will have the bricks in position and the ball attached to the paddle, along with the level number and the score in the top left corner.
When ready, the user will be launching the ball with either a right mouse click or a space bar.
During the game, when a user hits a certain brick, a power-up will drop. The user will then have to make contact with the power-up to obtain the power-up.
If the ball touches the bottom of the canvas, the user will lose a life and the ball will return back into the paddle.
Upon losing all lives, the game will display game over and the user will be prompted to exit or play again.
As a gamer, I want to press the start button so that I can begin playing the game.
As a gamer, I want to move the paddle using the left and right arrow keys so that I can navigate the paddle on the game screen.
As a gamer, I want to know my lives so that I know how many chances I have left.
As a gamer, I want to know my score so that I can know how well I am doing.
As a gamer, I want to have power-ups so that I can enhance gameplay.
As a brick, I want to be different colors so that I can provide user higher points.
As a brick, I want to appear in different locations in every level so each level is different.
As a brick, I want to disappear when the ball collides with me so that the gamer can move on.
As a paddle, I want to move horizontally back and forth so that the gamer can bounce the ball off me and collect power-ups.
As a paddle, I want to be limited to the size of the canvas so the gamer cannot move off the screen.
As a ball, I want to be launched off the paddle with the launch button, right mouse click or space bar so that I may start the game.
As a ball, I want to bounce around the canvas so that I can destroy the bricks.
As a power-up, I want to drop vertically from a certain color brick so that I can enhance the game.
As a power-up, I want to increase the paddle size temporarily so that the game is easier for the gamer.
As a power-up, I want to be a score multiplier temporarily so that I can enhance the gamer's score.
Cool.